Why should I choose natural stone steps over other materials? Dear friends, most landscape architects and contractors use natural stone steps to add more dimension to their projects. It's the most practical solution when your property needs steps to give it a little movement. That's because natural stone steps are aesthetically pleasing, durable, functional, and elegant. Moreover, they are not as intrusive in comparison to concrete or wooden steps. On top of that, natural stone steps can provide your outdoor space with a dimensional depth that other materials cannot offer. Also, with the right design and natural stone step material, the entire look of your outdoor space will not only improve, but the overall value of your property will increase as well. Additionally, natural stones are available in a wide range of textures, finishes, shapes, and sizes. Hence, it's easy to find a stone suitable for the style of your home. All our stone steps are a solid, single block of stone. This makes them virtually indestructible and very heavy, reducing the chances of shifting from freeze-thaw cycles or heaving from unstable gravel, soil underneath. Unlike concrete steps that are made with multiple pieces, natural stone steps will maintain their timeless character. Benefits of natural stone steps. Aside from its timeless charm and beautiful looks, here are some of the benefits of natural stone steps. Long-lasting. Natural stones are one of the toughest landscape materials you can use in step construction. Just look at the stunning ruined castles with natural stone steps around the world that have survived the test of time. Adds value. The long-lasting and classic, handsome appeal of natural stone steps is an excellent way of adding value to your property. They're a statement piece that will surely impress your guests. Less maintenance. Unlike other materials, your natural stone steps will not splinter or rot. Likewise, it will not wear out. You only need to sweep and mop it often to maintain its pristine condition. Occasional resealing may also be required to protect them from scratches and stains. Fireproof. Aside from its strength and reliability, natural stones are entirely fireproof. Versatile. Natural stone steps are extremely versatile. We create our products using the best and most advanced carving and cutting tools. This means we can create natural stone steps that fit whatever style you're after, from modern ones with sleek lines to traditional-looking steps. Aesthetics. Steps for landscaping are also available in the same colors to match our stone pavers and copings, meaning you can achieve a single, unified look throughout your project. Many landscape suppliers and stone dealers will sell stone steps as they are versatile enough to work well with stone pavers, concrete unit pavers, or asphalt. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel. How to Make My House.